Okay, guys, so here's the plan for today. One of the things we noticed once we started getting the car together and started doing some more test runs is we noticed that the brakes were not holding very well for us to stall the car up higher. Started looking it over, the back brakes were not working. Uh, Rebled the brakes, got everything going good, and we were getting fluid out of the wheel cylinders, but the wheel cylinders were not expanding because they were seized due to age. So I bought some new wheel cylinders. We had good shoes already on it, so I went ahead and replaced the wheel cylinders, rebled them, and went ahead and did some testing, and the car stalls up higher now. It looks like we were able to stall it up to about 26 to 2800, somewhere in that range. So before, we were only able to get to about 1700, 1800, then it would start pushing through the brakes. So that is a huge advantage. So this is just working on it and getting it ready for the races. Alright guys, I wanted to show you this because I thought it was funny. This is how old these old wheel cylinders are off of this car. Let's see if you can get it where you can read it. Say made in USA. That's how old these are. They still say they have that cast into them. That's hilarious.
Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Where